Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's make something fun.
There is a natural and easy way to clean your toilet bowl. Toilet balm. Let's make some. You need a cup of baking soda. I have this lemon scented one, but you can use a regular one. A fourth of a cup of citric acid and a teaspoon of dish soap. You also need a mold. I have this Halloween one, but you can use any silicone mold you have at home. Baking soda acts as a cleaning agent because it is a mild alkali and makes dirt and grease to dissolve easily in water for effective removal. Mix together the baking soda with the citric acid. Then work the soap into the mixture. The dish soap is going to bind it together. You will see that the mixture is transforming. It's becoming almost like Play-Doh. When it forms in your hand like this, you know it's ready to be put into the mold. Baking soda is also great for whitening, removing stains, and deodorizing. It is an economical and environmentally friendly cleaning option. Put the mixture into the silicone mold, then press down thoroughly so you will have a nice shaped toilet bombs. It's very important to leave them to dry for 24 hours. If you take them out too early, they will crumble. Let's see how they turned out. Beautiful! I absolutely love how they turned out. So fancy! You can place them nicely into a clear glass jar. So cute! Citric acid kills bacteria, mold, and mildew. It's great for general disinfecting and cleaning. Now let's test it. Let's see how it works. Just toss it into the toilet bowl and enjoy the fizzy soapy foam. We have that fizzing effect thanks to the baking soda mixed with citric acid. Citric acid is a naturally occurring compound found in citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, limes, and grapefruits. It's colorless and odorless, and it's super powerful, even more effective than vinegar. Wait until it fizzes out, then take the toilet brush and clean all around. Your toilet bowl will sparkle and keep its cleanliness for longer. On my channel, I have a lot of videos like this. If you're interested, I will link my toilet cleaning tips playlist at the end. Look at that shine! White and clean, no stains or lime scale. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!